Export an Excel spreadsheet to fixed-width text file. Excel has the functionality to import fixed-width text files, where it presents a dialog that lets you choose where the begins and ends of fields are, which it puts into columns. Does it also have functionality where, given an existing spreadsheet, you can export to a fixed-width text file? If so, how do I access this? I have tried using Save As and choosing text file, but it seems to only save as tab delimited, which doesn't help me. This is Excel 2003, if it matters.
I think the closest you can get from native Excel functionality is Save as formatted text, space delimited, star.prn. It will automatically determine the widths and insert spaces to pad to that width as necessary. Beyond that, you need to have a macro or other add-in that will let you do more.
If you have Office Professional, you can open your Excel file in Access, and then export from Access. Access will let you specify a fixed width layout for your exported file, and gives you extremely granular controls for specifying those widths.
First, format your data as Courier New, or some other fixed width font. Then save as .prn and you'll get true fixed width.
Wow, I was going to ask this question myself, but it was already asked. All Excel clipboard output is tab delimited by default. This is kind of annoying for real plain text output when you have a fixed width font but not necessarily tab delimiter support. Anyway, I found and modified a small Excel macro that will copy the currently selected region as a simple fixed width columns ASCII table, like so. Here's the macro code. To use it, make sure you enable the developer tab in Excel options if you are using Excel 2007 or later.
Spreadsheet is so